Hey everyone, let's talk about how to validate an idea so that you can take solid steps without wasting time and money. Okay, so let me tell you about this video. This is compressed with 5 major points, and we are not taken or we have not taken any example in this video. If you want us to take an example, just comment example and we'll create another video with more description. Okay, so the first point is you need to clearly define your idea in a single sentence. uh, Means what problem are you solving. Okay, second thing is now ask people, do they feeling the same problem, or means you need to conduct a survey. Okay, third point is you need to create a small MVP. If you are thinking into a technical side of startup or a idea, you need to connect, or either you are a technical guy, then you can create a MVP with small features, else you need to connect with your known, okay, your connections. Else if you do not have any, you can reach out to us and we'll help you out with that. Okay, so the fourth point is collect feedback. Once you collect feedback and get better suggestion, you can refine your MVP and relaunch it. Okay, please make sure do not reach out your mom first, because माँ तो यही कहती है कि बेटा आइडिया तो अच्छा है, ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब समझ जाओ अभी वैलिडेशन बाकी है. ऑलराइट, सो our last point is, if all goes well, you can start scaling your idea as a startup and think about investment or bigger launch. Okay, so in the last, I just like to say that friends, take small steps, test your idea and move forward with confidence. Thank you so much.